Hey, Brian from Retractable Haul. Today I have this 12-pack of box cutters. I'm always looking for a bunch of these, so I'm glad I bought the 12-pack because I put one in my kitchen drawer. I can keep one in my toolbox. I can keep one at like my different workstations. And so this is like what you get. So let's open one up, slide one out. So neat, you got 12 pieces in here. So that's that. Pretty simple, just basically push forward and then you have your little blade. And be careful, these are super sharp, literally razor sharp because it's a razor in there. But yeah, that's a nice little, ready to go. Basically you can cut the sides open, close on my breaker once inside, and then that's nice and opened up for you. So, yeah, if you open a lot of boxes like I do, this will come in handy. So, very cool. Anyway, Brian from Retractable Haul, thanks for watching, and let's get these out here. There's a bunch of them. And be safe out there.